Lower belly fat is the hardest to lose. But today, we use only one exercise. No running, no gym, no jumping. Just stand and burn fat. This workout is safe for beginners. For men and women. Lower belly fat burns when your core stays tight. Slow control burns more fat than fast moves. Stand tall. Lift one knee up. Pull your belly in. Hold for 2 seconds. Switch sides. Go slow, stay focused. Exhale as your knee comes up. Feel the burn. That's fat burning. Lift your knee slightly higher. Tighten your core even more. March slowly in place. Do not sit down. This is where your body changes. Don't stop. Slow the movement. Take deep breaths. Do this for 30 minutes daily. Repeat for 21 days. Lower belly fat will reduce naturally. Save this workout and follow for results. Consistency beats everything.